right, here's a JCB 214 backhoe from the county. This machine's got 4-in-1 split bucket in the front, and it's got the vertical stabilizers in the back, the European style. A lot of people like that, getting in tight areas and stuff. It's got 4-wheel drive. It's got extend-a-hoe. It's a real low-hour machine. Came from the county, and it's got a lot of even all the books, manuals, extra filters, and all kind of stuff. Vertical stabilizers are really nice. Trying to get in tight areas like that. Extend-a-hoe. I believe the county said this thing's got 3,000 original hours on it since new. Very low hours. All original paint. We're going to clean it up, get her all checked out. She'll be ready to go. It's actually a side shifting backhoe as well. The thing will slide right over left and right, as well as swing like you see it there. Nice also, this is a pre-emissions machine. No DEF fluid, no regen, nothing like that. Really nice running backup. All original, straight from the county. JCB 214, 4-in-1 split bucket in the front. Vertical stabilizers, extend-a-hoe, 4-wheel drive, 3,000 hour unit.